Donovan Loftus, head coach Camperdown Manning Cup team.
How have preparation been so far?
That's been good enough. Yeah. Earlier we had some drawbacks with the COVID and the vaccines and stuff like that, but we have been training consistently for the last 2 months, non-stop, so it has been good. Yes man, we are ready for the competition.
And what gives you that confidence that you are ready?
We have been training consistently and we have been playing a lot of practice matches, and so far we have only lost one, and we have only lost the Premier League team. And we have been doing well, so I think we are ready.
So you're saying you're satisfied with where you are now?
Yeah, at this point we are satisfied with where we are now. The team will be competitive because I prepared this team to win the competition, and I will settle for nothing less. We have been playing matches like we have been playing kickers. Those are academies, and we won those matches over 6 goals. Other high schools we have been playing, we won those over 3 goals. As I said, all the Cavaliers have beaten us, and Portmore United 1-0 on both occasions.
COVID affected the training?
It affected it earlier, but I went on a drive and I got my players vaccinated early, so our training didn't break that long.
Well, I'm Giovanni Morgan. I played left attacking midfield. Well, this season we are coming for it. 2019, we shot fought some little silly mistake, but I think this season we are up and running and ready for the championship.
What gives you that confidence?
Well, the new style of play that we are coming to this season with. Yeah, I think so.
All right. You were a part of the team 2019.
Yeah.
What and how well did you perform during the 2019 season?
Well, 2019 season I fall short in the second round with an hamstring injury. So I was playing most of the first round matches right through till the last playoff, where I will go to the quarterfinal group stage. I fall short in that match with a grind injury, so I never get to finish the season.
Alright, what is the unity like? What is the unity within the Camperdown team?
Well, it's a very good unity. We have some young, talented player coming up now, so unity is very better. Yeah, I think we have a solid base this season.